Hello friends. So today I'm going to read to you Every Autumn Comes the Bear. Autumn is the time of year that sometimes we call it fall. It's just another word for fall. It comes right after summer and before winter. And the author and illustrator of this book is Jim Aronofsky. Now he wrote the story as the author, and he drew his own pictures for his story. So he's the illustrator too. I have a nephew who we always called Bear. And now he's grown and he has a little bear of his own. And she likes bunnies. So keep that in mind while I'm reading this story. Every autumn comes the bear. To Will and Betty. I don't know who they are, but they must be awfully special if he wrote a book just for them. Okay. There is a wooded hill behind our farm. It is wild and rugged, and it has as many rocks as it has trees. Every autumn, after the leaves have fallen, a bear shows up. Look at that bear. He walks out on the cliff where the ravens perch. That's what those big black birds are called. They're ravens. He growls into the bobcat lair. Roar! And that bobcat says, "Get out of there, bear!" I don't think I'd want to be between them. The bear follows every trail just to see where it leads. This is the part of it that made me think of my nephew, the bear. He drinks cold water from the spring. Look at that. Who's hiding in there? There's a raccoon hiding in that log. He claws a tall, straight tree. Scared those birds off when he clawed that tree. The other animals hide from the bear, but he knows they're there. So over here, there's a deer. But look right here at what's hiding. Bunnies. Two little bunnies hiding from the bear. He smells the scent of the fox. Is that a fox? He hears the grouse bursting into flight. When the hill is white with snow, the bear climbs the highest rock and he looks out over all the treetops. My bear likes to do that too. Then, searching amid the hilltop boulders, he finds a den and crawls inside. A den is kind of like a nice place for a bear to sleep. Nestled there against the cold rock, with only fat and warm fur to keep him warm. And then he sleeps all winter long. And that's a pretty neat story, huh? Every autumn comes the bear. That makes me wonder if Jim Arnowski, if that was something that actually happened in his life. It may have been. I don't know. But I hope my bear and his baby bear enjoyed the story. And I hope you did too. Have a good day.